There are many reasons to train. Everyone has their own specific goals, whether it's for hypertrophy, strength, performance, or fat loss. If you're in the fat loss category, the good news is you don't have to spend hours on a treadmill. Internationally recognized fitness professional Nick Tumanillo lays it all out in his second edition of Strength Training for Fat Loss. In this edition, he offers a formula for transforming your body using the three C's of metabolic strength training: circuits, combinations, and complexes to accelerate your metabolism and maximize fat loss. Designed for both men and women, Strength Training for Fat Loss Second Edition is updated to include more than 150 exercises using barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, machines, or just your body weight. You'll find over 50 ready-to-use metabolic strength workouts, color photos demonstrating the exercises, at-home workouts with minimal equipment, and strength training workouts for both beginners and experienced lifters. Grab your copy on our website, us.humankinetics.com.